Please rise. The Regional Trial Court, Branch 28 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Dabayan Martin, proceed.
Thank you. You may all be seated. The court is now in session. Call the case.
Criminal case number 240437 BCR, People of the Philippines versus Nico Alvarez. For the crime of murder under Article 245 of the Revised Penal Code.
Appearances.
Attorney Jake Torres, appearing as a prosecutor under the direct control of the public prosecution.
Attorney Mario Lopez, respectfully appearing as a defense counsel.
Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state hereby accused Mr. Nico Alvarez of murder of Ms. Gila Validor with evident premeditation and intent to kill, inflicting mortal wounds which directly caused the death of the victim, contrary to the law.
Refers to the accused of Miss Gila Validor. Do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And how do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Opening statement for the counsel, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, the accused Nico Alvarez went to the house of Miss Gila Validor with the intent to kill her and rape her, thereby inflicting upon her mortal wounds, causing her direct injuries. To prove that the accused are guilty beyond reasonable doubt. The reason we ask you, Your Honor, is the verdict of guilty.
The re-examination of the witness by prosecutor.
Thank you, counsel. For the prosecution, you may now call in your first witness.
Yes, Your Honor. The prosecution would like to call on Crystalline Tanoy in the witness stand.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
Yes, I will.
Miss Witness, please introduce yourself.
I am Crystalline Tanoy, a teacher from Rizal Memorial Colleges Incorporated.
Miss Witness, will you please tell on this honorable court where you were on August 3, 2019 around 2 in the afternoon?
I was in the classroom doing my daily task as a teacher to my students.
Did something happen at any while you are with your students?
Yes, Miss Gila had a verbal altercation with the accused because she noticed that they were under the influence of alcohol while performing work-related activities and was being unresponsive with her queries.
So, what's the next thing that happened?
Miss Gila relieved her from his duties.
Then, what happened next?
I went to the CR that time because I had a stomach ache.
Did something happen, if any?
Yes, I heard noises coming in the CR. Then I clicked to determine who those are and then I saw the accused. That time I heard that he is going to rape and kill Miss Gila to take revenge for revealing him from his duties.
I'm going to show you the clothes that were retrieved in the crime scene. A plain green sandal, a black pants, a yellow t-shirt, and a checkered short. Please take a look at these items and tell the honorable court if you are familiar with these clothes.
Yes, I am familiar with these clothes. These were the clothes that the accused were wearing when I saw him inside the CR.
Is the owner of the green sandal present in this court?
Yes,
Can you point out to the owner of the sandal? That is all, Your Honor.
any cross-examination to the witness defense counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Cross-examination by the defense counsel to the witness of the prosecutor. Thank you, Your Honor. Are you saying she is the murderer? How sure are that it is Alexis Banta were in fact to say that house is clean?
Yes, and I am certain that because the physique of the man resembles like of Mr. Nico Alvarez.
Objection, Your Honor. The defense counsel's question is irrelevant.
Sustained. The defense counsel should refrain from asking irrelevant questions. Focus on the issue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
For the defense, you may now call in your second witness.
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to call Miss Gila Balidor and the witness stand.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but the truth in this case?
Yes, I will.
How are you related with the accused?
He is my boyfriend.
Can you describe Mr. Nico as a boyfriend?
Nico is a supportive and caring boyfriend. He always makes time for me, whether it's just to talk about our day or to plan fun activities together. I firmly deny the accusation being made against my boyfriend by Miss Crystalline. On the night of the crime, we are both in the park dating. Miss Crystalline is making false accusation to my boyfriend because she rejected her love and chose me instead of her.
Miss Gila Balidor, are you aware that if you lie on this court, you will be cited in contempt?
But I'm not lying, Your Honor. For sure that CCTV footage is tampered. I and my boyfriend at the park on October 21, 2024, dating.
We have now heard the arguments from both sides in the case of People of the Philippines versus Nico Alvarez. I must now decide if the state has proven beyond a reasonable doubt the defendant is guilty of frustrated murder. I must now decide if the state has proven beyond reasonable doubt, and I have been given material that will help understand the law regarding presumptions of innocent and reasonable doubt, as well as the requirements for unanimous verdict and the facts that the state must proven in order to find the defendant guilty.
In the matter of the people of the Philippines versus Nico Alvarez, therefore, after hearing and checking the authenticity and validity of the statements from the witnesses of both parties, the court finds the accused guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime of murder under Article 246 of the Revised Penal Code and sentenced accused of conviction perpetual, and ordered to pay 1 million pesos to the victim's family as a compensation for damages so ordered.